Get ready, because we're about to ride. Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 5. June 6th, 7th, and 8th at Bootlegger Harley-Davidson in Knoxville, Tennessee. This is a riding event, so if you like to ride motorcycles, come on down. All brands of motorcycles are welcome. In previous years, we rode the Dragon, Cherry Hollow Skyway, Foothills Parkway, and other scenic rides through the Great Smoky Mountains. So if you like motorcycles, meeting good people, and awesome roads, this event's for you. But please ride at your own risk. Every year it keeps on growing, and I'm expecting this to be the biggest one yet.
If you've never been here before, it's absolutely worth it.
I got to meet Tall, enjoyed the ride first time.
Well, thank you.
It won't be the last time.
Need to come to Run to the Hills 4. You need to get to know Tall. He's the same man in person as he is on the channel. Has a great family.
I appreciate that. This is the Embassy Suites in Knoxville, Tennessee. We're upgrading this year. There's a wet bar with a microwave, a Keurig. Here's the bathroom with the tub. Over here is a couch that makes a bed. So if you're wondering where the bedroom is, it's through this door right here. 2 queen-size beds here with a television on the wall, and this door leads back to the bathroom. Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 5, so we're going to do bigger and better things, starting off with where we're staying at the Embassy Suites. And if you've never had their breakfast, then you're missing it. You definitely need to try the breakfast. Make sure you check the link in the description below to book your room, because rooms are going fast. And just like any Traveling Tall Run to the Hills event, you can bring your families. There's an indoor pool. After we come back from the ride, there's 2 fire pits. We can sit out here, we can hang out. I hope to see you here. It's going to be a great time.